welcome back, because that other video is getting too long, because it won't let me upload longer than 20 minutes. So this video is meant to be about this. Yes, sorry. So I'm gonna just finish up this. I'm gonna show you, yeah. And as you can see, yeah, I got all this in creative mode, but it's a super flat world, and yeah. So first of all, I'm gonna decorate this. I have not shown you how long it is because I didn't want to feel like doing that on camera, so yeah. Okay, now, one more thing. Getting too carried away, sorry. I just want to do some decoration for you, so can you actually do maps on you can actually do maps on an iPhone, can you? Sorry about that, I just get too carried away. So I need some painting, some iframes, I need a beacon, I need a crafting table, I need a bed, and I do have some cats, but okay, I'm gonna show you something. And let me know in the comment down below what your favorite Minecraft YouTuber is. Mine is Fuzzy, because he does hardcore, and I made this chessboard as well. And it gives me haste when I come over here. For some reason. And I did not even fill the whole thing in, see? This looks nice like this. Looks like a natural pyramid now. Oh, sorry about that. Okay, back to the real world. And I got a bowling alley, but I'm not going to show you that because. And I got these little build things. I watched an Unspeakable video. This is from an Unspeakable video. It's called Unspeakable 100 Build Hacks or something. I'm not sure the full name of the video, but it was Unspeakable Build Hacks. This is my hotel. And let me have some names for these cats. I don't want that name in the raptor. Comment down some names what I should name these cats. I'm gonna take them to the pirate ship. This is my little trap thing I made, so, where I put like emerald, like emeralds that I went until like 100. I did, so that's field to field from 42 to 99. And it went the top, the emerald said 100. I'm gonna take these cats to my pirate ship. I don't know why I still have haste. This is my train station. As you can see, yes, and I got the yellow and the blue line. And I got that, yeah, I don't know what that is meant to mean, but okay. Sorry about that. I'll just get rid of these. I know you don't really want it. No, I like this. So no. You know that you saw nothing. Okay, you saw nothing. And I got some concrete stuff. I'm not gonna break it. And I got the Jurassic Park Visitor Center still in construction, and I got the Jeep thing from Jurassic Park. And this is the Jeep thing from Jurassic Park, the Ford Explorer, I mean, sorry. And I'm getting some new buildings in construction. I'm building an Empire State Building, I'm building a skyscraper and a construction crane. And I made a miniature Empire State Building, just the side of it. And I just done some dominoes. I've been doing some dominoes, but I don't want to carry it right. So yeah, that's lost. And this is my Lockwood Estate from Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom. I'm sure you've seen that movie. It's a really good movie. But I ain't talking a lot lately, so I'm just gonna. Sorry. You heard nothing, okay? You heard nothing. Oh, I'll fix that up, sorry. Sorry. You didn't hear that, Ada. Okay. I just need to get some more stuff, sorry. And this will just be like the rec room, the Friday's rec room. I was not supposed to get rid of that crafting table, sorry about that again. And I need a map again. Empty map. So maybe get a dragon head. But you can. This doesn't. Sorry. I need an empty map. Sorry. Like I said, yeah, I'm just very, very sorry about that. Very, very sorry about that. Oh wait, I don't need. Yeah, maybe put an observer in there. This happens. I'm sorry. And I want to show you something really, really cool. If you take an anvil, I'll do this again on another video. But if you do this, you gotta watch this. Watch this. Ta-da! Look at that! Fidget spinner! Look at that! Fidget spinner! I told you that was cool. I'm not gonna put a dragon egg because they're so annoying. Like I said, this is the fun room. And I got a fidget spinner. Oh, you saw nothing there. You didn't see anything, so... Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Oops, sorry. Sorry there, I didn't really carry the right there. And I got the perfect place for it. Right there. And then I'll also decorate this. This is me like my computer thing. Oh, the video's not done yet. No way. Not till here. Just let me pause here and I'll come back again.